I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm 3 hours in. Jesus. Filming in Dubai is mental. I am absolutely dripping with sweat, but the shots I've got is absolutely unbelievable. Today I'm filming 350 people on a mega yacht. Let's get it. Okay, welcome back to part 2 of building a 6-figure content agency here in Dubai, and this one is going to be a special one because the lineup is absolutely crazy. I honestly don't know how I'm filming this today, but I am. To start off, from 1 p.m. until 5 p.m, I'm filming on a mega yacht with a load of CEOs and the top earners of a real estate company. So that in itself should be multiple connections to start getting some paid work out here in Dubai. And then to finish off in the evening from 6 till 7 or 8 p.m, I'm filming in Ocean Beach, which again should be absolutely insane to have on my portfolio to then eventually go out and start charging for my work. I haven't charged a single penny for anything I've done here in Dubai so far, especially this mega yacht on Ocean Beach. It's just such a good opportunity to film it for free, to showcase it on my portfolio, to then go to new potential customers like beach clubs and resorts and hotels and real estate companies to show what I can actually do. So it's a 14-minute walk to Pier 7, which isn't really ideal because the temperature at the moment is 36 degrees. So it's 12:30 at the moment. I've made the schoolboy error of not eating before going on this 5-hour boat journey. I think I'm gonna regret that decision, but I'm currently walking down the marina now. I might be able to grab something quickly because the boat's not until 1 o'clock. There's just something about Dubai that makes you feel so good. Like, do you think I'd be walking in the UK right now? I'd be driving, I'd be getting my car. There's just so many people walking and taking scooters or riding their bike around the marina. It's just a completely different atmosphere that you'd get in the depressing UK. 5 minutes into my walk around the marina and I was just thinking, who lands in Dubai with not knowing anybody, and then on day 3 manages to film the biggest yacht in Dubai with the biggest real estate company and film one of the biggest beach clubs in Dubai, being O Beach? Yes, okay, it's for free, so no one's ever going to turn down free content, but in my videos on how to start a marketing agency, that's literally all I spoke about, is do free work to get into the places you want to film and then start charging for your services. I've got to hold the camera down here, by the way, because filming in Dubai isn't really allowed.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Boat party done. Drew, where are we off to?
I'm just trying to survive, bro. I'm just here trying to survive. Straight into Old Beach. So the boat is going to dock at 6 p.m. We've got 30 minutes to get across town to Old Beach, and it's going to be lit. There's over 1,000 people booked in already, which is just bonkers. 5:30? It's 5:30. I've had maybe 6 or 7 drinks straight through, and 4 chips. So in terms of food, we're looking at 4 or 5 chips. Drinks, we're looking at 6, maybe 7 fucking vodka.
Good way to start O Beach. Let's get it.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Ocean Beach done. It wasn't as good as I thought because we missed sunset because we were trying to get there from the boat party. I know I can make a way better video. I'm a bit disappointed in myself, really. Let me tell you one thing, yeah. Filming in Dubai, in the heat, 36 degrees, sweating your ass off with little to no food and water. Brother, that was a long day. Right, so just to sum up today, we've done yacht. I can't even talk, I'm so tired. We've done a yacht party and then on to Ocean Beach, but Ocean Beach just simply wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be. The performers stopped, it was dark, and I was just focused on the DJ, which is fine, which is why I was there in the first place, but it just makes me now want to go back because I can't put any of that on my portfolio because it's not good enough. It's not good enough to showcase at all, really. I'm going to export all the footage. I'm going to mess around with it tonight or tomorrow morning. There's probably about 5 more people and things that I want to film for free just to build up my portfolio, because then I have a portfolio to actually start charging money. But in terms of making money at the moment, I'm actually losing money. I've come to Dubai to build a 6-figure content creation agency, and I'm losing money. Now that's fine. I knew I was going to lose money because I've got my bills and my mortgage and my car and everything at home, and here I've got exactly the same. So it's just doubled up on the amount of money I'm losing at the moment. The only way I can combat this is just keep going and making connections and building connections until I start getting some paid jobs. I'm just gonna export the footage now. Number one, to be safe, because I don't want to lose any of it. Can you imagine that? I go and shoot it for free from my portfolio and end up losing the footage. And number two, I kind of want to have a look at it. It was so difficult on that yacht today because my monitor was showing it being brighter than it actually was instead of my camera monitor showing. So I was looking mostly at my monitor. So I'm a bit worried I've shot a little bit overexposed. And if I have, it's gonna be a problem. Also, the thing about filming in Dubai, which I didn't really think was gonna be a problem, but it turned out to be a big problem, is when I'm filming, I can't see the fucking screen. Like, I can't see what camera settings I'm on if my ISO or my aperture or anything is so high, because the sun is just, imagine someone tapping your head all day long and you can't get rid of it. That's like the sun. The sun is just beaming down on you and you can't get rid of it unless you're in the shade, which isn't very often in Dubai. So that's going to be a big downside, and I need to figure out how I can start filming without the sun. Wait, I'm in Dubai. It's never going to happen, is it? Let's be realistic. But yeah, as I said, today was good. It was really good. It was a learning curve because I was shooting things and venues that I've never shot before. You have to remember, I live in London. Most of the time it's pissing down with rain. So your camera settings are always going to be the same. So coming into a new location, coming into a new world is new. I've never shot in the sun before like this. So this is why I'm doing things for free, because if I fuck it up, it's a bit annoying, but it's not the end of the world. The guy hasn't paid me to do this job. I've just rocked up and took some footage, but it's exporting now. Don't know if you can see. Gonna back that up onto my SSD, have a quick look at some, and then I need to go and get some food and then go to sleep. Man, I was so worried the footage wasn't gonna be the best because of how I had the screen, but look, it's a banger.